Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen innovations. Today, we're diving into the sweet world of baking with a sprinkle set that promises to add a bolt of excitement to your treats. I'm talking about the Wilton 710-4161 Lightning Bolt and Star Sprinkle Set. Now, if you're like me and you love adding a touch of whimsy to your baking creations, these sprinkles are a must-have. The Wilton Lightning Bolt and Star Sprinkle Set comes packed with lightning bolts and star-shaped sprinkles. Perfect for decorating cupcakes, cakes, cookies, brownies, you name it. What I love about these sprinkles is not just their fun shapes, but also their vibrant colors and the fact that they're kosher and non-toxic. They add that extra wow factor to any dessert without any worries. In terms of quality, Wilton is a trusted brand known for its baking innovations. These sprinkles are made with care, although it's worth noting they're not recommended for baked applications. So sprinkle them on after your treats are out of the oven. For best results, I recommend gently pressing these sprinkles into frosting or icing while it's still wet to ensure they stay put. This way, you get that professional-looking finish every time. Now, you might be wondering, what makes these sprinkles stand out from the rest? Well, compared to other sprinkle sets on the market, the Wilton Lightning Bolt and Star Sprinkle Set offers a unique combination of shapes and colors that really pop. It's like a mini celebration on your dessert. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your baking game with a sprinkle of creativity, the Wilton 710-4161 Lightning Bolt and Star Sprinkle Set is your go-to choice. It's versatile, it's fun, and it's sure to delight anyone with a sweet tooth. Don't forget to check the links in the description if you're interested in adding this to your baking arsenal. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy baking!